Okay, so let's go over what we're going to use to create our princess. First, we're going to have some glitter makeup. This is to impart a slightly magical feel to our princess, a more fantastical element to her. We're also going to use white baby powder. This is again to pale the face somewhat. And again, kind of like go with more of an Elizabethan feel, which is when a lot of people used white makeup on their faces. Next are going to be various shades of pink, including eyeshadow, and also some blush that we're going to use today as well. Next, we have our lip gloss to make those lips ultra shiny. And of course, related on the lips, we're going to have some nice pink lipstick. We're going to apply several of these items using a couple of different brushes. Smaller, fine tip brushes for more of the detail, especially working in and around the eye area and other like finer line details. We're going to have a broader brush to apply things like the powder and over larger areas of the face. We're also going to have makeup sponges, again to help kind of with blending and rubbing and spreading the makeup around. And last but not least, we're also going to have some facial highlighter for highlights on the face.